right now. Steve.
All right, Lisa, thank you very much. You want to talk about an accomplishment. I'm standing with Marko Cheseto, double amputee, and you finished the race in what time?
2 hours, 42 minutes, and 33 seconds. That is unofficial.
That is unbelievable.
Thank you.
How did the crowd help you?
You know, the crowd was amazing. They were just cheering, and particularly on the hills, you know, they were, I don't know how they could tell that I was like almost struggling. They were like, hey, number 117, you got this. And I was like, no, I can't let these people down. I have to keep going.
And you have to keep bouncing. Why?
Because I don't have a heel on this, so if I stand still, I can fall back. So the only way I can keep myself balanced is just by moving around to catch myself.
How did you get your... I want people to realize back home here how you got your condition. What happened?
I am originally from Kenya, and I was recruited to University of Alaska Anchorage, track and field and cross country. In 2011, I lost both my feet below the knee due to frostbite.
Due to frostbite?
Yes.
But you never gave up?
No, I never gave up. And one thing I just told myself was, the condition that I have is just a phenomenon that happened in my life. It does not define who I am. I still have my inner power.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
What an inspiration you are.
And I want to say thank you so much for Boston. You know, it was so amazing out there. We were running and we see the spectators, the security personnel, and I felt like, man, everything is taken care of. I didn't have to worry about anything. And some people are even giving out fruits and everything. So it was an amazing experience. I want to say thank you. And next year, I am going to come to Boston.
You're coming back again?
Yes, because there is a para section that has been introduced, and it has some prize money. And so it has a big, big opportunity because as amputees, we've never been given an opportunity in a big, big race.
Right.
So this is great. We want to take it to the greater level. We want people to know that if somebody has a physical condition,
yes,
it does not limit what they can do. Everything that we need to succeed is in us. It's not outside us.
God bless you. What a message.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.